Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your Absa Bank Youth account. As a young account holder, it is essential to understand how to effectively manage your account to achieve your financial goals. First, you need to understand the features and benefits of your Absa Bank Youth account. This account is designed specifically for young people, offering a range of benefits such as low fees, competitive interest rates, and access to online and mobile banking. To manage your account, start by registering for Absa online in the Absa banking app. This will give you 24/7 access to your account, allowing you to check your balance, view transactions, and transfer funds. You can register by visiting the Absa website or by downloading the Absa banking app from your app store. Once you have registered, you can log into your account using your username and password. From here, you can navigate to the account overview section, where you can view your account balance, recent transactions, and any pending transactions. To transfer funds, simply click on the transfer option, select the account you want to transfer from, and enter the recipient's account details. You can also use the Absa banking app to make payments, buy airtime, and purchase electricity. It is also essential to keep track of your spending and stay within your means. You can do this by setting a budget and regularly checking your account statements. Absa Bank also offers a range of budgeting tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. In addition, you should always keep your account information and login details secure. Never share your password or account details with anyone, and make sure to log out of your account when you are finished using it. Finally, if you have any questions or need assistance with managing your Absa Bank Youth account, you can contact Absa customer support. They are available 24/7 to help you with any queries or concerns you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Absa Bank Youth account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always stay on top of your account activity, keep your information secure, and seek help when you need it.